This 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 23 LDE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Reno, Nevada, 89511 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Reno. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.